Okay, so here we are, checking this thing out. Turn it off, turn it on, home button, HPEVS AC24. This one's set up for an AC24. And I see no place for setting voltage limits either. So then if I hold it while I turn it on, so I go into program mode, ready program, and then I can do throttle, do brake, control current limits, fine tune, idle setup, display menu, brake. I want to get back to fine tune here. I want to see what that is. Let's see what that says. I'm going to do nothing with that. Okay, let's just restart this real quick. Yes, AC24, which it is not. So, there you have it. Got to get rid of this HPEVS software. Talk to y'all later.